Hi everyone, myself Dikshit B. I am currently studying Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering from the Department of ISC. Now we discuss about the computer networks. And the topic is data representation in data communication. Introduction to data representation. Data representation is a crucial in data communication as it dictates how information encoded and transmitted. It ensures the data can be accurately interpreted by both sender and receiver. Understanding the data representation helps to optimizing the communication protocols for various applications. Importance of data representation. Data representation facilitates the effective transformation of information across the different systems. It reduces the potential for errors during transmissions and enhances the data integrity. Proper representation allows for inter interoperability among diverse hardware and software platforms. Types of data representation. The two primary types of data representation, analog and digital. Each type has its own advantages and applications depending on the communication text. Understanding these types of helps in the selecting right method for specific transmission needs. Analog data representation. Analog data representation involves the continuous signals that vary in amplitude and frequency. Communication example common example include sound waves and radio waves which represent information in a fluid manner. Analog data can be more susceptible to noise and this is true during the transmission. Digital data representation. Digital data representation converts data into secret values, typically using binary code. This method allows for easier manipulation, storage, and transmission for information. Digital signals are less affected by noise, resulting in more reliable communication. Binary code. Binary code is a foundational representation of data digital using two symbols 0 and 1. It underlies all computer systems and digital communications encoding a various types of information. Each binary digit bit can represent a state which is essential for data processing transmission. Character encoding schemes. Character encoding schemes like ASCII and Unicode are the used represent text in computers. ASCII 128 for characters, while a Unicode can represent over characters from the multiple languages. Understanding these schemes is a vital for ensuring the accurate text representation in communications. Data formats. Different data formats like JPEG, MP3, and XML dictate how data is structured and transmitted. These formats are optimized for a specific types of data, ensuring efficient storage and quick access. Choosing the right data format is essential for data communication across the platforms. Compression techniques. Data compression reduces the size of the data, optimizes transmissions, speed, and storage. Lossy compression sacrifices some data fidelity, while lossless compressions retains all original data. Effective comparison techniques are critical in bandwidth limited environments. Error detection and correction. Error detection and correction methods are ensure the integrity during the transmission. Techniques like checksums, parity bits, and Hamming codes are help identify the rectify errors. Implementing these methods enhances the reliability of data communication systems. Modulation techniques. Modulation techniques convert digital data into analog signals for a transmission over various mediums. Example includes the amplitude modulation and frequency modulation. Understanding the modulation helps to optimize signal quality and the range in data communication. Protocols and standards. Communication protocols defines a rules of data representation, transmission, and error handling. Standards like TCP or IP and HTTP ensure the consistent data exchange across the diverse networks. Adding that these protocols are essential for seamless communication between the devices. Role middleware. Middleware acts as an intermediary layer that facilitates data representation between the systems. It enables different applications to communicate effectively, transmissions, translating data formats. Utilizing middleware can simplify integration and improve the data interoperability. Future trends in data representation. Emerging technologies like quantum computing and AI reshaping data representation techniques. These advancements promise to enhance data processing capabilities and improve efficiency. Staying information about these trends is crucial professionals in data communication. Conclusion. Effective data representation is a fundamental to successful data communication. It impacts everything from the encoding techniques to transmission protocols and error handling. A robust understanding of data representation is essential for optimizing communication systems. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.